Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about ultrasonic testing. Which of the following best describes the frequency range of ultrasonic waves? A. Below 20. B. 20 to 20 Kh. C. 20 to 200. D. Above 20 Kh. E. 1 to 10. The correct answer is D. Above 20 Kh. What is the primary principle behind ultrasonic testing? A. X-ray emission. B. Gamma ray absorption. C. Sound wave propagation. D. Magnetic field induction. E. Electrical conductivity measurement. The correct answer is C. Sound wave propagation. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the main purpose of a couplant in ultrasonic testing? A. To increase the temperature of the test piece. B. To provide electrical conductivity. C. To improve sound wave transmission between the transducer and test piece. D. To create a magnetic field. E. To absorb excess sound waves. The correct answer is C. To improve sound wave transmission. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.